Imagine uncovering the invisible threads that connected ancient civilizations, not through artifacts you can hold, but through the sense they cherished. This is exactly what a groundbreaking study of Phoenician oil bottles from Motya, an island off Sicily, has revealed about the Iron Age Mediterranean. While pottery fragments, coins, and bones often survive the test of time buried underground, the fragrances that once filled the air have long been thought lost to history. But here's where it gets controversial. By combining archaeology with cutting-edge scientific techniques, researchers have now managed to decode the aromatic secrets preserved inside these ancient vessels, shedding new light on how scent shaped identity, memory, and cultural exchange thousands of years ago. An international team of experts from the University of Tübingen in Germany and the Complutense University of Madrid in Spain meticulously studied 51 small, plain ceramic bottles, each standing between 15.5 and 18.5 centimeters tall, dating from the 8th to 6th centuries BCE. These vessels were discovered in diverse contexts, such as tombs, homes, and sacred sites, indicating their widespread use across the Mediterranean and beyond. Dr. Adriano Orsinger, one of the lead researchers, points out that the broad distribution of these bottles suggests they served multiple purposes, far beyond simple storage containers. To unravel the story behind these vessels, the team first analyzed the clay composition to trace their geographic origins. Their findings pinpointed southern Phoenicia, roughly the area between modern-day Beirut and the Carmel region, as the production center. But the real breakthrough came from examining the organic residues trapped inside the bottles. In 8 of the 51 samples, traces of plant-based oils along with pine and mastic resins were detected, clear markers of fragrant oil preparations used in antiquity. This discovery opens a fascinating window into the role of scent in ancient societies. As researcher Amicone explains, these ceramic containers were not just practical items for transporting aromatic oils. They were cultural vessels carrying the essence of identity itself. Orsinger elaborates that these fragrant oils acted as powerful symbols for Phoenician migrants, helping them maintain a connection to their homeland. The scents served as sensory anchors, evoking memories and reinforcing shared traditions among communities scattered across the Mediterranean basin. The Iron Age Mediterranean was a dynamic arena of movement, trade, and cultural blending. The Phoenicians, famed for their seafaring skills, craftsmanship, and mercantile networks, established settlements far from their Levantine origins. Aromatic substances were central to their cultural practices, valued both locally and as coveted exports. This study challenges us to rethink ancient mobility, not merely as the physical relocation of people and goods, but as the transmission of intangible sensory experiences, like smell, which played a vital role in shaping cultural belonging. Scent is deeply intertwined with identity, Orsinger emphasizes. It's a crucial, yet often overlooked factor in how migration, settlement, and cultural exchange unfolded in the ancient world. This perspective invites us to consider how sensory traditions influenced social bonds and cultural continuity in ways that written records alone cannot capture. Amicone highlights the power of interdisciplinary research in revealing these hidden dimensions of the past. By combining archaeological methods with chemical analysis, the team has unlocked stories embedded in the very residues of these vessels, offering unique insights into how scents connected people, places, and identities across vast distances. University of Tübingen President Professor Dr. H.C. Doshisha Carla Pullman underscores the significance of such innovative approaches. This study exemplifies how even the most elusive traces, like ancient fragrances, can be recovered through collaborative science, opening new perspectives on the sensory and cultural worlds of antiquity. But here's the part most people miss. Could the emphasis on scent as a cultural connector reshape how we understand ancient trade and migration? Does focusing on sensory experiences challenge traditional narratives centered on material goods and written texts? We invite you to reflect on these questions. Can you agree that scent played a pivotal role in ancient identity and cultural exchange? Or is this interpretation stretching the evidence too far? Share your thoughts and join the conversation. For those interested in diving deeper, the full study is published in the Journal of Archaeological Method and Theory, 2025, under the title Sense of Home, Phoenician Oil Bottles from Motya, by Adriano Orsinger and colleagues. DOI 10.100/S10816-025-09193.